human being gotta be like? What's a way to just be competent? These sweet instincts